In this video, how to create an account on Salesforce. I will show you step by step how to create an account on Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Click the Sign Up option or Sign Up. Now fill in the requested information in the form. Enter your first and last name correctly. Provide a valid email address. Create a strong password for your account. After that, choose the account type or plan you want. You can select a free trial account if available. Now click the Create Account or Sign Up button. Salesforce may send a verification email. Open your email inbox and find the message from Salesforce. Click the confirmation link sent in the email. After confirming, return to the Salesforce website. Now log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will see the main platform dashboard. You can configure your profile and account preferences. Add company information if needed. Review the initial setup settings. Now your Salesforce account will be ready to use. This is how you can create a Salesforce account easily.